This is not the test. In emergency situations, and World War IV was started in the 27th of May 2028. The SATCOM alliance declared war on Second Enter. It was United States will war on Russian Federation. The United Nations will be survive on war. The United States of America will war in Russia. Then emergency situation, the SATCOM alliance joined North America and South America. The Philippines will survive. The people in location in southwest island of Palawan Island, so that we emergency alert system will on tomorrow. The information, the World War IV is gonna big war. The World War IV, it's gonna take a organization and will double organization war. The all-inclusive of information, the tons emergency alert system specific message send. Join the SATCOM alliance with second entity will lot emergency alert system and method for producing the person. The SATCOM alliance joined African Union and West Europe. The second enter. Joined the Asian Union and East Europe.